first guy came back a week later, he says, can I get that for the rest of my calves? Because the optics, just to look into his first 2 pens that were on Precision Microbes and his other 2 pens that weren't, just as in seemed to be thriving better slick sheen on their coat, livelier was the big thing, as in they were up ready to suck.
Okay, my name is Eamon O'Connell, I'm a vet in Nenagh, County Tipperary, and today we're on the farm of Shane Hanrahan, just outside Nenagh. Okay, we're at the 1st of December, so we're 6 weeks away from calving on a lot of farms. So it's the calm before the storm, really. Calf scour is a thing we see every spring. It's something we are consistently dealing with spring year on year. The main culprits, rotavirus and crypto. And year on year we are seeing that on different farms, just causing problems. So previously, if we went to an outbreak of calf scour, we were probably 3 or 4 days into the outbreak. The first thing we were doing was most likely looking at a calf that was dehydrated, giving him fluids, IV fluids, hanging up a drip bag. From there then we were looking at the rest of the calves, and obviously they were losing fluid, so we're keeping them hydrated. We were going with milk feeds morning and evening and intermittent electrolyte feeds. So milk in the AM, electrolytes at dinner time, milk at PM and electrolytes at night. We really weren't paying any attention to gut health, we were looking at just keeping them hydrated to get out the other end of the scour. So this year was the first year we got our hands on Precision Microbes. The market was awash with additives to milk in outbreaks of scour. So what we were finding was we were coming out to an outbreak of scour and the farmer already had a product in place and he was asking our opinion on it. So this year we got our hands on Precision Microbes, which is a veterinary only product, and we found it to work. We started off with 2 calf rearers where we put it into half of their calves and the other half weren't on Precision Microbes, and by the end of week 1 the first farmer came back and said, can I get that for the rest of my calves? The vigour was improved, coat was improved, and their just general drive was improved. Yeah, it was something we never paid attention to. Gut health was something we never even considered until this year, to be honest. And when you realise that you're dealing with a baby calf, which is just a baby, and if their gut gets under pressure from an outbreak of scour, the health of their gut needs to be improved and needs to be maintained. And it's linked to their immune system as well. That's very, very important to say. Final thoughts on Precision Microbes is now we have a product that there is science behind and we have seen to work on the ground. And it's a product that we can confidently go out to our farms and tailor how it's used and where it's used.